Yeah, so I want to quickly explain this workflow before showing you the results of the workflow. So this is an n8n workflow, right? I have a long list of I have a long list of leads. These leads were extracted from Apollo, right? I have good details about them. I have their email, right? These recruitment leads. Now, what I want to do, you can see the scripts are running. What I want to do is I want to personalize the leads. This personalization you're seeing here, right? So I want to personalize. This personalization is just used for the top part of the email, right? One of the first things they will see before opening the email. So it's congratulating them for something related to what they posted on their websites, right? So that's the personalization we are going to be using. And we are going to be using n8n to build out that workflow, right? So I have their email address, I have the organization website, which I'll be grabbing the data from, and then I want to send these leads to my instantly, right? You can see I have about 2000, almost 2500 leads. I've been processing it automatically using this automation. So this is reading these Google Sheets, right? That's the first one. We are reading the unmatched Apollo with email, 2357 leads. So after running that, we filter it. So I want the ones that haven't been done. So done is empty. I have a field called done. So when this automation runs through, it updates the Google Sheets, right, with done for the ones that, with yes for the ones that have been done, right, or just red. So it updates it one way or the other with one of those fields, right? So we are getting the Google Sheet records. You can see it's triggering every 15 minutes. I want it to trigger every 15 minutes. You can see this workflow has two different triggers. I can trigger it manually, and I can just leave it and it triggers on the schedule. So every 15 minutes, I want it to take 20 records and run it through this for loop. The reason I'm doing it this way is, one, I'm not in a hurry to process all the leads because of this API here. We have a rate limiting on this XR API. So if you don't know XR, XR is a platform that enables us extract data from websites, right? So it's going to do the web scraping for us, give us the data, then I will be able to use that data in the personalization. So the personalization, I'm just getting the data from XR. I'm selecting the first 2500 strings, and I'm telling it, this is the prompt. Let me just show you the prompt. You are a helpful writing assistant. Only output 20 words max. Never use M dashes. Create one casual insider style congratulations message that feels personal and credible. The tone should be like a fellow founder or operator making a warm connection formula. So I'm giving it the formula to use. Congrats on specified achievements. So it's going to congratulate them from the data from their websites. That's the text content from their website. It's going to pick the specific achievement they've had, congratulate them on that, and add a brief industry insight. So their industry is what's it called, recruitment industry. That's the ones I'm targeting right for now. So relate these insights to service being offered, e.g. building sales. So I'm just giving it an example, right? So this is my prompt, and I put it in the system prompt, right? And this is the text it's going to go through. I'll show you the results for this. So after that, it sends it to instantly, updates the Google Sheets, wait for 2 seconds, processes the next record. Then we have also validating the email before adding it to our instantly also. So we are validating the email, cleaning the company name. You can see some companies would have say a company name as long as this, DS Wolf Group LLC. I only need maybe DF Wolves Group. That's all. So that's the kind of name I need, right? Let's check some that's already been cleaned. Andrews and Cole LLC, or let me use this, Vantage Solutions LLC. That's quite long. We just call it Vantage. So it looks like we're actually typing it. We're actually typing the email. We don't want our emails to look automated, right, and boring. We just want it to look like a founder to another founder from another company, right, discussing. So I don't need to be calling their full company's name. Something like this, Victory Search Group Imagine me writing this in an email. Anybody receiving the email will have that, this definitely automated. So I just want to receive victory instead of victory search group, right? So same as here, Origin Inc., Origin Diagnostics. This name is quite long. I can't type this in an email, right? I'll just call it Origin, right? So that is what this cleaning of name does, right? This personalization is just to add it to the top of the email. Let me show you how that personalization looks like in one of my sequence. So this is the personalization here. Let me preview it. Hey Robert, congrats on building a comprehensive consulting practice. Smart focus on family business. They are the backbone of sustainable growth. So this is the congratulations message they would first see before that will make them open the mail before reading what we have to offer them. And this is our call to action. And this is my the bottom, right? So let me continue. Let me just show you how the executions look like. So I show you how some of that data looks like, right? Okay, I don't want to make this video too long. So the first one, it extracts all the 2800 from the Google Sheets and we filter it using our filtering conditions. 547 items. That's the rest of this is about 547 that haven't been processed. That's the done is empty. So it grabs that. Then the next thing it does, sorry, let me expand this. So the next thing it does is to, after the filtering, it limits it. We just want 20 items from it. So it only selects 20 items. Then it loops over those 20 items, right? So, and in the first loop, we are updating our Google Sheets. Since I've selected it, I just want to update our Google Sheet with red. So it shows that we've actually read that record. Then we verify it. Sorry, I can't click on this because I have my API keys there. You can see just a HTTP request. So I'm sending a request to Million Verify with the email address. So it's going to return the results. The result is going to be either, if it is okay, it's going to pass through the if statement. We can have this result as catch all. So if it's things like catch all and the rest, it's not going to pass through, right? Let me see if there's an example of that. Yeah, there are examples of that. This false branch, if it doesn't pass through, it's going to just go back to the loop. So we are cleaning the company name. You can see I just have a simple prompt. Normalize the company name by focusing on its most distinctive and memorable elements. The goal is to identify the most standout part of the name, typically the first noun, which, while discarding the other items, output a concise, casual abbreviation employees might use, respecting original capitalization and spacing. Provide only the final normalized output. So, take for instance, what was our input? Jackson Lucas. That's the name of the company. So it only outputted Jackson, right? So this is the system prompt. You are a helpful writing assistant that cleans company name. Return only the clean company name, right? So it cleans the company name. I can't also click on this, but EXA, because of my API keys there. So EXA is for, that's what I use to scrape the website and get the data out. Let me show you how some of those data looks like. So it scrapes you can see this is the website data, right? It scrapes the website data. It scrapes the website data, then it writes the beginning of the email. Congrats on building such a comprehensive executive search firm. Your focus on DEI and strategic talent solution shows real leadership. So it uses the data from the website to do the personalization. Then it sends it to our instantly. After sending it to our instantly, which is our cold outreach platform, it updates the Google Sheet. So I'm now updating the Google Sheet with the personalization and the clean name, and done now becomes yes. So when you go to our instantly, you see the leads are being added, right? These are the leads being processed. We add the personalization, we add the website, we add all the details that we're going to be using in our sequences. So I think that is it. So this was from this. I moved it from make.com to to n8n just to save cost, and it's doing the job perfectly. So yeah,